Welcome to the Confident Speaker podcast by Speaking Your Brand. This is your host, AI Carol. Have you ever sat down to write your talk or prep a presentation and thought, wait, am I trying to cover way too much? Or maybe you stared at your blank page, wondering if the topic you chose is even going to be enough to talk about. You're not alone. Striking the right balance between a topic that's too broad or too narrow is one of the most common challenges speakers face. Years ago, I had a topic that I was passionate about, something like women's leadership. Sounds great, right? The problem? It was enormous. I wanted to say everything: how gender bias impacts us, cultural expectations, personal identity, communication habits, confidence, business strategy. I had branches shooting off in every direction, like an overflowing oak tree. That's when I realized something had to change. I needed a through line, a clear, focused idea that every story, stat, and section of my talk could hang from. That's when it clicked, and I've used this process ever since. So if you're wondering whether your topic is too broad or too narrow, ask yourself these 3 questions. 1, can I explain my topic in one powerful sentence? If you find yourself using commas or saying, and also, your topic might be too big, try narrowing it down by focusing on a specific outcome, a particular audience, or a unique angle. For example, instead of how women can become better leaders, you could say how corporate women can use storytelling as a leadership tool. That's way more focused and a lot more memorable. 2, do all of my points connect back to one main idea? Imagine your talk like a palm tree. There's a strong, straight trunk, and everything you say should grow from that. If you've got too many offshoots going in different directions, your audience will feel like they're playing mental hopscotch. Grab a Post-it, write down your main message, and then see if each supporting point connects clearly back to that idea. If not, you're probably trying to squeeze too much in. 3, could I turn this into more than one talk? This is a great signal that your topic is broader than it needs to be. And that's actually a good thing. It means you have plenty of valuable insight. But instead of shoving it all into one presentation, make a series of signature talks. One of our clients thought her talk about burnout, confidence, and mindset was one topic. But after developing her through line, we realized that each piece could be its own powerful keynote. Burnout became talk number 1. Confidence became talk number 2. Now she has an entire speaking portfolio. So here's what I want you to take away. If your audience can leave with one clear message and a few powerful takeaways that all align to that message, your topic is probably just right. Don't try to stuff decades of expertise into 30 minutes. Trust that you know enough and focus on what truly matters for this presentation, for this audience right now. The most confident speakers are the ones who know what to leave out. If you want help finding your through line and creating a signature talk that feels focused, engaging, and totally you, come work with us. Head over to speakingyourbrand.com to learn more about our Thought Leader Academy and other ways we help women like you become clear and confident speakers. And if you enjoyed this episode, follow the Confident Speaker podcast on Apple Podcasts or Spotify for more insight and actionable strategies. This on-demand episode was generated by my AI voice clone, trained on speaking your brand content. You've got a message that matters, and I can't wait to help you share it.